The micro camper van featured in this showcase embodies the essence of cozy living on the go, blending practicality with meticulous design to create a warm and inviting space that feels like a tiny home on wheels. Designed for adventurers and nomads seeking comfort and functionality in a compact package, this camper van offers a unique blend of mobility and homeliness. At its core, the micro camper van is built on a compact yet robust platform, ensuring maneuverability and ease of driving while providing ample space for living and storage. Its clever design maximizes every inch of available space, from the efficient layout of the interior to the thoughtful placement of storage compartments and amenities. Inside, the micro camper van welcomes occupants into a cozy living environment characterized by clever use of materials and ergonomic design. Soft textiles, warm lighting, and natural wood finishes create a soothing atmosphere reminiscent of a traditional home, inviting travelers to unwind and relax after a day of exploration. The living area of the micro camper van is versatile and multifunctional, featuring a convertible bed that doubles as seating during the day. This space-saving solution allows travelers to optimize the van's interior for lounging, dining, or sleeping, adapting effortlessly to their daily needs and preferences. The kitchenette of the micro camper van is equipped with essential appliances and storage solutions, allowing occupants to prepare meals on the go without sacrificing convenience. Compact yet efficient, the kitchenette includes a sink, stove, and refrigerator, making it easy to enjoy home-cooked meals while traveling. Beyond its functional amenities, the micro camper van is designed to enhance the overall travel experience with thoughtful details and creature comforts. Integrated heating and cooling systems maintain a comfortable interior temperature year-round, while ample windows and skylights provide natural light and ventilation. The exterior of the micro camper van is equally well appointed, featuring a sleek and aerodynamic design that enhances fuel efficiency and driving stability. Optional awnings, outdoor seating areas, and storage racks further expand the van's livable space, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. In conclusion, the micro camper van exemplifies the concept of a warm, inviting tiny home on wheels, offering travelers a practical and comfortable way to explore the world while enjoying the comforts of home. With its meticulous design, thoughtful amenities, and versatile living spaces, this camper van represents the future of mobile living, where adventure meets comfort and convenience on the open road. Whether embarking on a weekend getaway or an extended road trip, the micro camper van promises a memorable and enjoyable travel experience for all who seek the freedom of life on wheels.